this is Matt and it's time for Super Simple Stuff!
So Hadley, what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to do some science experiments, some more outdoor time, free time where we get to record whatever we want, remember?
Yeah.
And then news
around the globe. And we might do some more outtakes because you might do something silly. I always do something silly. So we'll, that could go in the outtakes right there. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is a science experiment. And today, what we're doing? What's our science experiment for today?
A cloud in a jar.
A cloud in a jar? We're going to make a cloud in a jar?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. So, I suppose like we do in every video, what's the first thing that we need?
We're going to do it a little bit different today.
Ooh.
We're going to have everything come up on screen at once.
That truly would be magic. How are you going to do that?
We're going to show you everything we need.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, now!
Whoa! Okay, so let's explain what we've got, Hadley. What have we got from left to right?
We've got ice cubes.
Ice cubes.
A lid in a jar.
Jar with a lid.
Spray.
Any spray?
Any spray. Boiling hot water.
Yeah, so be careful here. This is hot water.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yeah, don't touch it then. And what's at the end?
We've got a dishcloth.
A dishcloth or something that's going to protect your hands when you're dealing with the hot water.
Yeah.
Right, so we don't need this yet. All we need at the minute is the jar.
Yeah, we did
Now,
the ice cubes.
First thing you need to do.
Ice cubes on there.
So put 3 or as many ice cubes as you can get on the lid of the jar. We think we can get 3 on, so we're going to put 3 in.
Oh, let's go.
Right, 3 ice cubes on the top. Done. Now, this is where the adult comes in. Children, do not do this. This is boiling water. You will need adults' help, okay? The adult needs to carefully tip the water in about 1/3 high. Maybe between 1/3 and 1/2. Almost about there, yeah? See? We're going to put this out of the way. And if we do any spills, we use the cloth. Okay, so we'll keep the cloth to one side. Now, what's the next thing we need to do?
These on the top.
Put the lid on the top. We're going to leave it for about a minute. Okay, we're back. It's been about a minute. But is there a cloud in there? We need to put an ozone layer in there. Now, this is where you need the spray. So Hadley's going to gently lift the lid. I'm going to put some spray in, only a little bit, and then put the lid back on again really quickly. Yeah, super quick like that. So I'm ready when you are, Hadley. I'm ready when you are. Ready? Go. Shut. That's it.
The water rises up like you see about the kettle.
Yeah.
And then it turns into steam, and then it hits the top of the jar. Then it turns back into water because it's got nowhere to go.
Oh, okay, brilliant. So what's happening is the hot water, like you said out of the kettle, makes the steam come up. The steam attaches to the spray, like the ozone layer in real life, and when it gets to the top, it hits the ice or the cold air and turns back into water, and then floats around like a cloud.
Yeah.
Do you want to take the top off and see if there's any cloud in there floating about? Ooh! If you blow gently, blow gently. Whoa! The cloud came out.
Okay, guys, that is how you make a cloud in a jar.
In a jar. Now, in our first video, we said comment below. And us being newbies, I've just realised now that you can't comment because this is a kids channel. Our Twitter name is this. But you can go to Twitter and just search for Super Simple Stuff.
That means up there.
It just
Super Simple Stuff.
Super Simple Stuff. So the channel's live already. We've already got some stuff about, more stuff we were doing in the garden, some exercise that we did today on our bikes and our scooters. We will reply, Hadley will reply, I'll reply.
And even if it says "m" at the end,
yeah,
at the end of the comments, it means Matt, and if it says H, that's what I typed in.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to have some more garden time, aren't we?
Yeah.
Ready? So garden time. 1, 2, 3.
Now you make this bit really bouncy. Dad, you make this bit really bouncy now. Now Now can it see the whole trampoline? Jump, guys. Woo! Yo, Billy, that's what's up, guys. I'm gonna jump my way. I'm gonna jump probably in the trampoline my way. Somehow. I'm gonna show you jumping off the trampoline my way. Woo! Did you see that? I'm gonna jump off the trampoline with you guys now. Hope you're not scared. Scaredy pants. We're gonna jump together. Look how far it is down. Is that far? Yeah. Now you're as tall as me. Look how far it is now. Really far. Let's see how we do. Down, down. Woo! 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 You like it, guys? Comment on Twitter down below. Woo. Welcome to Super Simple Stuff News. It's me again.
And it's me, Stephen. And me.
Good name, mister.
Thank you. One of the largest deserts in the world is the Arctic, because a desert doesn't have to have sand. It's just a large expanse with very little life.
A crocodile can hold its breath underwater for 2 hours.
10% of all a cat's bones is in its tail.
Jellyfish are not a fish. It doesn't have brains, hearts, or any bones.
And that's it from Super Simple Stuff News.
Wait, before you go, this is a picture of this guy here.
Super Simple Stuff News, out.
Thanks for watching, guys. We've had a great time today on Super Simple Stuff. Experiments were excellent. News were excellent. What else did we have? Outside time. Of course, how would I even forget outside?
How could you forget outside time? So guys, once again, let us know what you're doing. Drop on our Twitter.
Up there?
Up there, yeah. Send us messages, let us know what you're doing. Send some pictures. It's been fantastic. It's really good to see them. You can subscribe. We've had a few people ask how much it is to subscribe. It's free. You just press subscribe below.
As normal, guys, stick around for the outtakes. Don't pause yet, because we've got a little bit more of the funny outtakes in here.
Here we go.
Just squeeze them in.
Squeeze them in.
Here we go. Trees!
Where did that come from? Okay.
That could go in the outtake. We need some spray!
Super simple. What? What?
I want to see. Bye, guys.